In the company Izoelektro, we produce equipment for the purposes of electro distribution. Our core products have been designed on the basis of our own patents, developed by the company's Research and Development Institute. Namely, some of the top products we manufacture are innovative post-line composite insulators, tension composite insulators, low and medium voltage surge arrestors with silicone coating, and equipment intended for mounting into overhead power networks of up to 60 kilovolts. Apart from supplying the Slovene market, we also export our products to numerous countries in Europe, Africa, America, and Asia. Our first patented product is the autonomous spring clamp with an insulating insert. It enables the simple and quick fastening of a conductor onto existing or new post insulators. The spring clamp's essential advantage is that it diminishes partial discharges at the point of fastening the conductor onto the insulator. A stainless spring with an accurately chosen pressure point enables a permanent elastic tie, which is meant to dampen vibrations and ensure the predetermined conductor pull strength. Our autonomous spring clamps are suitable for fastening conductors of up to 120 millimeters in cross-section. A universal tension clamp with two mutually right-angled points of application was developed and patented for the purpose of installing tension composite insulators. This shape enables the fastening of tension composite insulators into the clamp regardless of the turn of the eye on the insulator. The use of this clamp helps to diminish the number of various types of insulators in stock. Various studies, lab research, and measurements performed on power lines have demonstrated that excessive electric field strength and the resulting partial discharges are likely to occur at a conductor's fastening point onto an insulator with metal end fittings. This may lead to the conductor burning off from its place of fixation after long-term use. Izoelektro Limited solved this problem by developing, patenting, and pioneer manufacturing post-line composite insulators with insulating top-end fittings and an insulating spring clamp. In order to improve its mechanic qualities and usability, we upgraded the insulator's top-end fitting with a protective cap, which enables a 100% increase of insulator load in both horizontal and vertical directions. An additional 1-meter-long silicone coating added onto the bare conductor at each side of the insulator is intended to completely secure the carrying poles and thus prevent short circuits. This solution also provides secure protection for birds. Our production line also encompasses tension composite insulators with a creepage distance of up to 1,200 millimeters. Particular attention in the manufacturing process is given to the pressing of metal fittings onto the core of the insulator. A highly modern hydraulic machine with 8 pressing jaws and 3 different pressing modes is used for this purpose. In accordance with the standard, we also perform pressure controls on each insulator before siliconizing. Tension composite insulators are available with various end fittings in the form of an eye, clevis, socket or ball, as well as operating rods. We also produce Class 1 medium voltage metal oxide surge arrestors up to 45 kilovolts. The surge arrestors, type 2SS15N, have been tested in the accredited Italian lab CESI, whereas their top quality is ensured by a low residual current and a specific construction with varistors directly enclosed by silicone. The varistor block is set up on the basis of a given varistor voltage value, measured on a control device. The construction with insulating profiles enables high bending and torsion moments. Once siliconizing is done, all surge arrestors are tested on calibrated devices by performing reference voltage measurements. The manufacturing of low-voltage surge arrestors involves the use of technology for producing high-voltage surge arrestors. We solder the contact parts and the disconnector onto the varistors and then enclose them with silicone. This type of production process and the innovative disconnector ensures a long lifespan and the highest degree of IP67 protection. Following the needs and demands of our customers, we have developed several types of surge arrestors that function excellently, including in the extreme conditions of the desert and tropical climates. This is our best-selling product and has won several awards. We have our own high-voltage lab and constantly strive to improve it in accordance with standards. The lab allows us to run full tests on medium-voltage surge arrestors. The development and manufacturing requirements can be fully met by testing electric devices with alternating voltages of up to 220,000 volts and wave-shaped lightning impulse voltages of up to 1.2/50 microseconds up to 500,000 volts. Our most recent acquisition is the development of the testing environment for low-voltage surge arrestors with a peak value of lightning impulse voltage of 50,000 amps in the shape of 10/350 microseconds. Our operating activities are fully supported with digital technology, which means that our material and storage operations are also directly included into this system. In order to ensure the traceability of the built-in material, we also introduced the barcode system with laser scanners and automatic data processing. Surveillance of this sort helps make business operations simpler and more efficient without any complaints with regard to our product's delivery. We were awarded the ISO 9001 certificate for quality management systems in 1999, and we began functioning in accordance with the environmental certificate ISO 14001 in 2007. We have 6 patents of our own, which we built into our products. Our short-term plan is to produce medium-voltage surge arrestors with silicone coating and indication of residual current, and post-line composite insulators by using reinforced polyamide end fittings and composite insulators with voltage indications. Izoelektro takes pride in its active membership in the IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission for Insulators and Surge Arrestors. Our innovative solution, the fastening of the conductor onto the insulator with the insulating material, has been accepted as a draft of the newest IEC standard for post-line composite insulators. A benchmarking analysis within the framework of a European project in 2011 has selected Izoelektro as the most innovative, small-sized company in Slovenia. Our vision is to file at least 2 patents annually and to remain an active exporter of products with our own built-in patents.